Hey y'all, welcome to At Home with Chef Jolie. Except for the fact that I'm not at home. I am here at my catering company, Low Country Cuisine. I'm gonna let y'all know why I'm here for a minute, but first I want to say, if you are true to this and you ain't new to this, welcome back. I missed y'all so much. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. We're getting ready for season 4 of At Home with Chef Jolie, and the season is all about me trying your favorite restaurants, your favorite dishes, your favorite cocktails. Then I'm gonna come back to my house and I'm gonna put my own little spin on it and give you all the cheat codes and all the recipes and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm here at Low Country Cuisine because the first restaurant I'm going to is called the Ocean Air. It's a seafood restaurant. You know I love seafood. Y'all already know that. And it's only about 5 minutes from Low Country Cuisine. So I stopped here to do a teeny bit of work, and then I'm about to go over there. Hopefully there's a seat for one person. I'm gonna be up in there looking like I don't got nobody on Valentine's Day eating by myself, but that's okay, because if the food and drinks are good, who cares? Hey, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my foodie family. All right, let's go get in the car, see if I can make it. Alrighty, y'all. Let's see. What do y'all think? Do y'all think we're gonna be able to get in? I really hope so, because I put on eyelashes. I did it for y'all. I was only supposed to be stopping into Low Country Cuisine for a hot minute, and it turned into like an hour and a half. The life of an entrepreneur. That's how it goes sometimes. But you know what? I missed y'all. I really did. I missed y'all, but I really needed to take a break to reset. The end of the year was super busy at Low Country Cuisine, and I just needed some time to collect myself. So I hope that you all forgive me for being gone for so long. But just like before, y'all, why I still don't have a mount for this camera, for my phone. I'll check back in with you all when we get to the Ocean Air. All right, there it is, the Ocean Air. We are right there. Let's touch and agree that I'll be able to get in. All right, so we got a seat at the bar, and I got the menu. You said the cocktails are in the back? Okay. That's where we're gonna start. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the calamari, and then we'll go from there. Okay? Y'all, it's so hard. I think I'm gonna have to plan what I'm going to try before I get here, because, honey, and I really like this cocktail. First couple of sips, I wasn't sure, but I like it. And I'm gonna recreate it. I'll put my own little spin on it. Here's the deal though. I wanna be able to show everybody how to make these recipes for less. So all the restaurants that I plan to go to won't be like fine dining restaurants. I'll do some mom and pop restaurants. I will do restaurants inside of a gas station. If they got good food, I'm coming, okay? Okay, y'all. So I'm trying the first dish, and it's okay. It's not bad. I definitely think that we can come up with a recipe that we can do better at home. I don't know though. I don't know if this is the one that is gonna make the episode or not. I'm really going to have to decide what I'm gonna try before I come, because honey, this is gonna be too expensive. Trying to try everything in the moment. What they doing? Homies, people watching. My favorite pastime. When y'all go out to eat, do you go out to eat by yourself? If you don't, you should. People watching is 10 out of 10. I make up whole stories about people just by watching them. Like those two guys behind us. They went to high school together. And the one in the red shirt just moved back to Dallas. He's trying to get out and learn the city. And they're just meeting up. They're gonna kick it tonight. Let me stop. I don't know these people. All right, let me try some more food. Okay, so I have my entree. I decided to get the chicken fried lobster and grits. Sounds delicious, but what is it gonna taste like? I want y'all to see it first. Okay, come take a look. Let's taste it. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna be transparent and let y'all know that I am typically not a fan of, can you see it? Typically not a fan of like lobster or crab mac and cheese. However, I know that's what y'all be liking. So I figured that I need to do my due diligence and try this lobster and crab mac and cheese to see if it is something that I can recreate and give y'all the recipe so you can make it at home. So I'm literally taking one from the team, for the team. Okay, y'all, I am about to try the lobster and crab mac and cheese. So we might as well just say seafood mac and cheese, right? Let's try it, and let's see if it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. I've enjoyed myself, and I've enjoyed y'all being here with me. So I already have one doggy bag. At least I'm not finishing the food, okay? Portion control. But I'm definitely full. Y'all gonna have to tune into the episode because I've had 3 things and I don't know which one is gonna make the episode. So tune in, make sure to comment, like, subscribe to the channel. And if you have a restaurant in DFW, even if it's not in DFW, if I can make it to wherever your favorite restaurant is and your favorite dish is during this season, I will get there. And they can be fine dining, they can be mom and pop, they can be a dive, they can even be a drive-through restaurant. I just want to try your favorite dishes and figure out a way to recreate them, make the recipe so that you can make it at home too. And we can all enjoy delicious food, delicious drinks. Even if you have a bar, say they don't have food, but you have a bar that has an amazing cocktail. If I need to go try it, let me know down in the comments, y'all. Okay? All right. Okay, y'all. Made it back home, and your girl is as full as a tick. But that's okay, because I am going to recreate some of these recipes from the dinner I had tonight and share them with you all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself, okay? All right, time to go lay it down for the night. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.